10 health benefits of soursop juice, a natural healing miracle. Do you like fruits? If so, you've probably heard of soursop, also known as graviola. Many people are unaware of its sweet and sour flavor, but those who decide to try it will not be disappointed. Have you heard about the power of soursop? If not, prepare to find out. This magnificent fruit is not only delicious, but it also has remarkable health benefits. Want something natural that controls blood sugar, lowers blood pressure, combats inflammation, and aids in weight loss? Soursop is the solution. Soursop, a tropical fruit with a long history of medicinal uses, has been utilized by indigenous peoples for ages to cure a variety of diseases. Soursop is gaining popularity in current research due to its proven health benefits. Soursop, which is high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, is a natural gift to our health. And the best part is that you can get all of these benefits in an easy and delightful method by making a natural juice from the fruit. In this video, we'll look at 10 surprising health benefits of soursop juice based on scientific studies and show you how to make this delicious and nutritious drink at home. Prepare to be amazed by the natural healing potential of soursop. 1. Improve skin health. Have you ever wished to have glowing, blemish-free, and wrinkle-free skin? Who hasn't desired to know the key to forever youth or a magical elixir that transcends time? Perhaps that elixir is closer than you think. Soursop juice. A study conducted in Mexico and published in the journal Food and Function confirmed soursop's skin health benefits. This fruit is high in antioxidants and fights free radicals, which are the primary cause of wrinkles, fine lines, and blemishes. Soursop's strong vitamin C content boosts its antioxidant function, shielding tissue from injury and speeding up wound healing. Soursop also increases the production of collagen and other important proteins for cell regeneration, resulting in firmer, more elastic skin with a youthful, healthy appearance. 2. Fights diabetes. Want to avoid poor insulin absorption while keeping your blood sugar under control? Soursop juice could be the solution you're looking for. Soursop contains antioxidants that preserve pancreatic cells responsible for insulin generation, helping to avoid insulin resistance and diabetes. Also, soursop is high in fiber, which slows sugar absorption and promotes diabetes control in those who already have the disease. A research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that 100 milligrams per kilogram of soursop extract reduced blood glucose levels by 75%. 3. Lowers blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, soursop can help you manage it naturally. This tropical fruit is high in potassium, a mineral that aids in the elimination of excess sodium from the body, one of the primary causes of hypertension. Scientific research, including one published in the journal Pharmaceutical Biology, revealed that soursop extract can lower blood pressure without changing heart rate. This means you can maintain a more balanced blood pressure without fear of negative side effects. Furthermore, its antioxidants protect your arteries and relax blood vessels, improving blood circulation and keeping your blood pressure under control, preventing circulatory disorders like heart attacks. 4. Reduces inflammation and relieves pain. Inflammation is the body's normal response to injury or illness, but when it persists, it can cause pain and discomfort, reducing your quality of life. The good news is that soursop juice can be a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. Several scientific investigations have demonstrated the anti-inflammatory benefits of soursop. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, the fruit not only blocks the chemical mediators that cause inflammation, but it also has a strong analgesic impact. It's no surprise that soursop has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat headaches, muscle aches, and joint discomfort. 5. Has antibiotic action, antifungal and antibacterial. Did you know that soursop can help you fight infections? This potent fruit possesses antibiotic, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, combating viruses, bacteria, and fungi that can cause illness. Soursop, which is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, boosts your immune system and makes you more resistant to undesirable intruders. Soursop has been shown in scientific research to have antibacterial and antifungal characteristics, which can combat infections ranging from oral problems to serious diseases like pneumonia and cholera. Soursop can also help treat herpes, which is a viral condition that causes painful skin lesions. According to research, the fruit contains chemicals that combat the HSV1 and HSV2 viruses, which cause cold sores and genital herpes. 6. Enhances digestion and regulates the intestine. According to a study published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Medicine, another benefit of soursop is its ability to support intestinal health. Soursop has a gastric protective action in the stomach, helping to treat the symptoms of some gastric ailments, such as ulcers and gastritis, thanks to antioxidant chemicals that protect the stomach wall and reduce acidity, pain, and discomfort. Soursop also contains soluble fiber, which helps regulate the bowel and prevents diarrhea and constipation. 7. Enhances mood and reduces stress. Did you know that soursop juice can be your best buddy during the most stressful times? This delightful tropical fruit is high in tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin, the well-known happiness hormone. Serotonin regulates mood and promotes overall well-being. Scientific studies have shown that appropriate serotonin levels are required for mood regulation. Soursop, with its high tryptophan level, can be an effective ally in this process. But it doesn't stop there. Soursop also includes vitamin B3 and magnesium, which boost serotonin production while also contributing to the formation of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Melatonin in good shape allows you to sleep better and wake up feeling more refreshed and in a good mood. Soursop juice boosts your mood, reduces stress, and even improves your sleep quality. It's the ideal combination for a lighter and happier lifestyle. Before we move on, we ask you a big favor. To help our health community grow, give this video a like, subscribe to Incredibly Healthy, and hit the notifications bell to be the first to know when we upload new videos. 8. Lose weight. Soursop is an excellent ally in weight loss diets for several reasons. For starters, it's a low-calorie fruit. A 100-gram serving contains about 62 kilocalories, making it a healthy option to replace more caloric desserts or snacks. In addition, its high fiber content contributes to weight control. Fiber retains water in the gastrointestinal tract, providing a feeling of fullness for longer. This helps reduce hunger and control the number of calories ingested, which is essential in low-calorie diets. Soursop also has natural diuretic properties. With more than 82% of its weight composed of water and containing minerals such as magnesium and potassium, it helps eliminate fluids. Its juice, besides being an excellent source of hydration, can help people who have difficulty consuming the recommended amount of water daily. The diuretic effect helps eliminate excess water retained in the body, which can result in weight and measurement reduction. 9. Helps prevent osteoporosis. Several studies indicate that adequate calcium and vitamin D intake not only prevents osteoporosis, but is also effective in reducing the risk of fractures in people with osteopenia, which is the gradual loss of bone mass. These substances are essential for bone mineralization and play a crucial role in regulating bone metabolism. Soursop, being a good source of calcium and vitamin D, is an excellent option for supplementing this mineral for those who want to strengthen bones and teeth. In addition to contributing to bone health, calcium is essential for muscle contraction and blood clotting. For those with a family history of osteoporosis, including soursop juice in the diet can be an effective strategy in combating this condition. 10. Anticancer properties. Although most research is currently limited to test tube studies, some studies suggest that soursop may have potential in fighting cancer cells. One test tube study treated breast cancer cells with soursop extract. The results indicated that the extract was able to reduce tumor size, kill cancer cells, and increase the activity of the immune system. Another study published in the journal BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies analyzed the effects of soursop extract on leukemia cells, finding that it prevented the growth and formation of cancer cells. Despite the promising results, it's important to note that more research, especially clinical studies in humans, is needed to confirm these effects and determine the safety and efficacy of using soursop as an anti-cancer treatment. As you may have noticed, there are many reasons to consume soursop. Now just choose the way you like it best, as it's a great option to vary your menu in a healthy way. A simple option is to eat the fresh fruit, cutting it into pieces and scooping out the pulp with a spoon. Another alternative is to prepare a delicious soursop juice. Homemade, tropical, and very practical, the juice will win you over at the first sip. How to make soursop juice? To make it, you will need 1 cup of soursop pulp without seeds, 2 cups of water, the juice of 2 lemons, optional, and ice cubes to taste, optional. To prepare, simply peel, remove the fibrous core and seeds, and blend the pulp with the water and, if desired, with the lemon juice. Serve immediately in a glass with ice and sweeten, according to your preference. Another option is to make smoothies, blending the pulp with water or milk in a blender, and adding other ingredients, such as banana, strawberry, or lemon, to vary the flavor. But beware. Although delicious and healthy, it's worth noting that, like any food, soursop consumption should be moderate. Also, as the fruit has the property of lowering blood pressure, it is contraindicated for those who suffer from low blood pressure. There is little information about the safety of soursop consumption during pregnancy and breastfeeding, so it should only be consumed under medical guidance. This fruit is not recommended for people with Parkinson's disease and low blood pressure. Therefore, before including this fruit or juice in your diet, it is essential to talk to a nutritionist. Now we want to hear from you. Did you know this fruit and its benefits? Do you use soursop in any other way? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed the information, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more content, as well as share this video with your friends and family. What's the next video you're planning to watch? I'd love to share some of my recommendations with you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.